How to change Amazon Prime password. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can change the Amazon Prime password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to basically change your Amazon Prime password, your Amazon Prime basically means your Amazon account. So if you want to change for your Amazon Prime, it means you have to change the password of your Amazon account. Now in order to do this, just go ahead and then make sure to launch the Amazon application here. Once you launch the Amazon app, just tap the little account icon, which is this profile icon, and here you'll find your account. So just go to your account here. Here you'll find the option called login and security. Make sure to tap on it. And as you tap on login and security, you can just go ahead and allow to use Face ID. And after you do that, you'll be taken to this page over here as you'll be able to find it. Once you're here, you'll be able to see password option. So tap the edit button next to password. Now all you have to do is first of all enter your current password and enter the new password that you would like to change to. Make sure that they're correct and then tap the save changes option. And this way you'll be able to change the Amazon Prime password. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.